Hey everyone, welcome to my studio. This week on the workbench, I have some pieces that need to be grouted, including this one, which might be a little tricky with all the bumps on this glass, but can't wait to see that finished. This sun catcher that I've made needs to be grouted. Not all of this needs to be grouted, just the parts where there is glass. The beaded parts I won't be grouting, so part of the head, the wing, and under the tail there. Then I have two substrates that I'm going to get started on for some bigger projects. This one I have two different ideas with, so I just need to decide. And this one I'm going to cut a piece of Hydroban board for the back just to stabilize it more, because this is a cradle board that is meant for painting and it's a little bit thin for a base. So just to get that prepped. And then swinging over here, I'm in full-on jewelry making mode, so I'm going to be making some more pendants. That's it. I've been cleaning and cleaning and cleaning this, and it just looks dull and not super great. I definitely won't be mixing the thicker fused glass with the other glass like this again, because it's hard enough to clean that bumpy glass, but when you mix it with the thinner glass, it just makes it super tricky. Anyway, I thought I wasn't getting anywhere until I held it up to the light. It is getting somewhere. Not bad. It's looking pretty good. I think I'm just going to let the grout dry a little bit more so that I can go in with the glass cleaner and wipe it down, because buffing isn't really getting me anywhere anymore. That's it. Pretty much finished grouting this bird, but I just want to show you, when you use the grout brush, sometimes it digs out the grout a little more than you'd like. And so here are some areas I'm going to go back in and add some grout to. And then as I was grouting, I noticed I lost a bead here and one here. So I will go back when I'm completely done and add those two beads. That's it. The cradle board is 15¼ inch on the inside. So I'm going to mark it here and mark it down here. Pretty easy to just score and cut it. This is the photo that I used from vacation. This is the mosaic that I made, and this piece is just not working for me. I love this glass. It's absolutely gorgeous, but it's a little bit too dark and it's confusing with the mountains there. And I was able to use it down here, so I'm going to just brush that one off. Let me just paint over it here. So easy. There we go. It's my sister's birthday this week, and I thought as part of her gift, I would work on this mosaic that I'm making for her. I've been working on it for a couple years, so I work on it here and there. Anyway, this has sort of been the year of morning glories, and there's a flower in here that's bright blue like a morning glory, so I think I'm going to knock those out. Let me show you the key. As you can see, I have no place to work on this mosaic, so I'll have to finish up some of the other ones first. But these are the flowers that seem like morning glories. Now, I don't think in reality morning glories make very good cut flowers, but we like them, so they're going in here. Artistic license. This mosaic, Day by Day, was selected to be in a juried show, and I have to drop it off on Friday in a couple of days. And it's good to go, except that the side needs another coat of thinset to cover that mesh that's on there all the way down. So I'm going to be mixing up some gray thinset for that. And when I do that, I was looking at this today, my sister's mosaic. I'm going to cover these, which need a coat of thinset as well, both sides. I do have to go ahead and sand this, and it's best to do it before the thinset has completely cured. So this is the second day, and I'm just sanding it lightly to smooth it off, and then I brush it, and all done. I found these little bases on clearance at Hobby Lobby, and I think I'm going to keep this thing and make that the back and spray paint this. I'm priming this side, and then I'll put the mosaic on this side. Here's an update on my nephew's projects. One of them has finished a bear and started the ground, and the other one has started working on more of the feathers at the bottom of the owl. That's it.
that's putting it together. Thanks for watching. See you next time.